This is question number 17 on the November 2014 non-calculator paper. Okay, reading through the question, we have a diagram here with a couple of shapes in there. It's an octagon and then a hexagon inside it. The question says A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is a regular octagon. B, C, K, F, G, H is a hexagon. J, K is a line of symmetry of the hexagon. A angle BJG is equal to angle CKF, and that's 140 degrees. Now that information is given on the diagram. Work out the size of angle KFE. You must show all your workings. So let's identify where this angle KFE is. So if I move this up a bit, right? Okay, so angle KFE, start from K, F, E is this angle here. They want us to work out what this angle over here is. Okay, so a couple of things that we need to do first of all. The fact that this is a regular hexagon, right, means that I could work out the interior angles, and they're all the same. All the interior angles are exactly the same. And I'm interested in the interior angles because I want to work out this angle here. This is one of the interior angles, and they're all the same. Now the method to work out the interior angles, there are a couple of them, right? I don't need to mark all of these in, but I'm just putting them in to indicate that there are 8 interior angles. They're all the same. I'm going to use one of these here. I'm going to extend the line outwards, and that's going to give me the exterior angle, this particular angle here. The exterior angle, to work out the exterior angle, it's 360 degrees divided by the number of sides. And in an octagon, there are 8 sides. So I need to do 360 divided by 8. 8 can't go into 3. 8 into 36. 8 4s 32. And that leaves 4 left over. 8 into 40 is 5. So the exterior angle is 45 degrees. The interior angle, therefore, because these two are on a straight line, the interior and the exterior angle add up to 180 degrees. So the exterior angle is going to be 180 take away. The interior angle is going to be 180 take away 45, which is 135 degrees. I'm just going to state that. That's the interior angle of the octagon. Okay, so the interior angle of the octagon is 135 degrees, and that means that this whole angle over here is 135 degrees. Okay, now I need to try to work out this angle here, the angle on the inside of the hexagon. But one of the things that they said to us in the question was that this line JK is the line of symmetry of the hexagon. So what it means is that that line there cuts the hexagon into 2 equal parts, which means that this angle here is 70, and so is this angle here. That's also 70. And this shape that's left behind, this 4-sided shape, this is going to be a trapezium, and it's symmetrical. So these 2 angles down here are going to be equal. The angles in a trapezium, all 4 of them, should add up to 360 degrees. So to work out this angle over here, which as I said is the same as the one on this side, I'm going to do 70 add 70, which is 140. So those 2 add up to 140. Remember, all 4 of them inside this trapezium add up to 360. So I'm going to do 360 take away 140, which is 220. So that means these 2 angles at the bottom of the trapezium add up to 220 degrees. That means each of them is going to be 220 divided by 2, which is 110. So this angle here is 110, and this angle here is 110. This is going to help me work out the angle that they've asked for, KFE. KFE is going to be 135, take away 110. So KFE is going to be equal to 135 degrees, take away 110 degrees, and that's going to give me 25 degrees. And that's my answer, and I've written that in the answer space. Okay, make sure you do understand this. These type of questions are very popular, and they include these in the exams very often. Make sure you can do it, make sure you understand the stages, and you are able to get full marks in it.